In this video, I'll show you how to remove black bars from your video in Filmora. If you've imported a clip that has those annoying black bars on the top and bottom, usually from cinematic or widescreen content, there's a quick and simple fix. Just select your clip in the timeline, then go to the Video tab and scroll to the Scale section. Before adjusting anything, make sure the lock icon next to the scale settings is green. Now, drag the scale slider to the right to zoom into your clip until the black bars are no longer visible. Yes, you'll lose a bit of the image from the sides, but the result is a clean, full-frame look without borders. Now, if your subject is moving around, you can keep it centered easily with keyframes. Just move your playhead to the beginning, click the position diamond icon to add a keyframe. Then, in the preview window, click and drag the video to center your subject. Move forward in the timeline, adjust the position again directly in the preview, and Filmora will automatically create another keyframe. That's all there is to it. Quick and effective. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more Filmora editing tutorials. See you in the next one.